Abroad the regal banners fly, now shines the cross's mystery. Upon it life did death endure, and yet by death did life procure. Who wounded with a dreadful spear did purposely to wash us clear from stain of sin, pour out a flood of precious water mixed with blood, that which the prophet King of old hath in mysterious verse foretold, is now accomplished whilst we see God ruling nations from a tree. O lovely and resplendent tree, adorned with purpled majesty, culled from a worthy stock to bear those limbs which made thee holy there. Blessed tree whose happy branches bore the wealth that did the world restore, the beam that did that body weigh, which raised up hell's expected prey. Hail cross, our hope, on thee we call, who keep this solemn festival. Grant to the just increase of grace, and every sinner's crimes efface. Blessed Trinity, we praises sing, to thee from whom all graces spring. Celestial crowns on those bestowed, who conquer by the cross below. Amen.